Imagine this: at the stroke of midnight, the earth suddenly stops spinning, not gradually, not gently, but in an instant. For one entire day, our planet is frozen in place. Right now, Earth rotates at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. That motion shapes everything: our days and nights, our winds, even the oceans. But if it vanished, the world would never be the same again. The very moment Earth stops, everything on its surface keeps moving eastward. Cars, rivers, and even the air itself continue racing at jet speed. Skyscrapers collapse, forests are torn apart, oceans rise into walls of water that sweep across continents. In seconds, civilization begins to crumble, and above it all, the atmosphere itself becomes a storm, an unstoppable hurricane encircling the globe. Without Earth's spin, the delicate balance of our planet collapses, the bulge at the equator fades, oceans shift toward the poles, regions along the equator, Africa, South America, Southeast Asia, would dry into lifeless deserts. Meanwhile, northern lands like Canada and Russia drown under vast new seas. The world begins to reshape itself in terrifying ways. With no rotation, one side of Earth faces endless sunlight, while the other is locked in eternal night. Temperatures soar on the day side, baking rivers dry and burning fields to dust. On the night side, freezing cold grips the land. Life caught between these extremes struggles to survive. A planet once balanced now becomes a world of fire and ice. Hour by hour, the devastation unfolds. Earthquakes erupt as shifting oceans place unbearable pressure on the crust. Volcanoes roar to life. Massive cracks split open cities. Farmlands vanish, nations collapse. The world shakes under forces far greater than anything humanity has endured, and yet this is only the first half of the nightmare. After 24 hours of chaos, the earth begins to spin again. But this return is not salvation, it is another disaster. Winds roar back in the opposite direction. The oceans, once displaced, surge again with colossal tsunamis. The planet suffers a second wave of destruction, undoing everything that remained. This thought experiment reveals something profound. Life on Earth depends on motion we never notice. The constant spin gives us sunrise and sunset, tides and seasons, balance and survival. Without it, the Earth becomes uninhabitable. We exist because our planet moves, silently, endlessly, carrying us through the void of space. The Earth will not stop spinning, but the idea forces us to see how fragile we truly are. If one change could destroy everything, what about the opposite? If stopping the planet brings devastation, what would happen if Earth spun even faster? Leave your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video. Have a good day.